Well, good morning, everybody. I've lost 7 pounds. You can't even tell by looking at me. Still on my diet. Today we're going to put some a little box or something in front of these two window shades right here and here. So it kind of hides the roll-up part of it. And I'm going to go in that bathroom there, and I'm going to sand all the walls with 320 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to go ahead and urethane the inside of the bathroom so it's all waterproof. Then after that, I'm going to have to seal the tub wall to the bottom part of the tub and make sure there's no water leakage right there. And everything else is going along pretty good here. And 2 more days I will be able to take the bus over and get the propane lines put into it. I'm kind of excited about that. So I'll take you along for this. Okay guys, I have painted the back of the door with spar urethane. We got the wall in the bathroom here, the back wall above the shower, and that wall there too above the shower. I taped up the shower so it wouldn't get any drips in it, just to be careful. And I also sanded and repainted the front of the bathroom door just to get it a little more smooth, and I redid the back wall there too. I resanded this because it had a little bit of dirt in the face of it. And I can't reach down behind the seat. See that square down there? I just don't have long enough arms. I should have done that before, but I didn't think of it. But, live and learn. So the door holds itself open because it touches the curved part of the roof there where it curves down on the front. And so this is going well. I got to put another coat on there, and the wood that I'm going to put along the base there is my baseboards. I have, try not to do this without getting you dizzy. There, I've made the, move my water. I've made the, this is where that tiled area is going to be. I'm going to put this around it like that as a baseboard. And I've also made a nice piece of birch to try to hide those rollers a little bit. And I'm going to screw it straight up. See, I got the holes in it. Got one there, then one down the end. I'm going to screw it straight up against the bottom of the bunk ceiling to hide those 2 rollers for the 2 shades. All right, so I've got a little bit done today, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey bunny, come here kitty. Boy, she's about half wild. Can you see her in there? She's a hell of a mouser. She's caught a lot of mice. I think she's caught 5 of them since she's been here. And off she goes into the woods. She won't even come to me half the time. Okay guys. When I put that plug in right there, I had a comment from somebody, I can't remember who it was now, about the tips of these knives, when you're putting a plug in here or something. So, that kind of stuck in my mind, and I went ahead and decided to fix this problem by building this block here. It's a piece of birch. And I sanded the edges, rounded it off, and I put a cut in it. And the thickness of this is the same thickness as this, the magnet here. So right at this slice here. So I put a slice in it to hold the tips of the knives. And it'll go in there, something like that. And I thought that would save any little mishaps here on the end of the knives. So just one of the little things I was doing I wanted to show you. I was waiting for paint to dry and got to thinking about stuff, and so I just wanted to show you that. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, I've got it all figured out now. I've got a safe way of putting the knives away. Got it installed. I think these will help it ride there too a little better. There, safe underneath now. See, you can plug things in, not slice your hand open. And whoever it was that made that suggestion to me, I appreciate it. And I'm sorry I can't remember. I should have made note. And the bathroom, it is got 3 coats on it. There's the back of the door. Yeah, it's all done in here. I'll untape it tomorrow. Then I'm going to go ahead and right here, I'm going to go ahead and put a wide trim on that. Then down here it's going to get the other pieces of trim in here along the bottom. All done in birch, so the whole bathroom would be birch. Then I can hang up the toilet paper holder, and I'm going to put a mirror on the back of this door right here, a half length or 3/4 length mirror right there. And I think I'll be kind of done in the bathroom. I've got to put the, I got to fold down right here on the wall. I've got to fold down like a coat hanger type thing. You can hang up like 5 or 6 different items on it. I got to put that back in. And yeah, this is where we are now. So I'll catch you on the next one, guys.